I'm gonna just brush the tires right here. So you know the rest. Ultra Shield Car Wash by Armor All. So what I'm gonna do is, there's some still left in here. I'm just gonna pour the rest of this inside. Oh, I missed that. On to the brush. So what I'm gonna do is open this up, pour some on the brush, and I'm just gonna go around and I'm gonna just brush the tires right here. So we'll go around here, and if you want to get really in there, you could use one of these right here. These are exclusively for getting between the tires. So I'm just gonna put some of that on here. Now, some people like to use a bucket. I don't have a bucket, so 2 peas in a bucket, so you know the rest. So I'm just gonna get the tires, get in between there. And this gets up the debris right here. Gets all the dirt, soak it up, circle it around. I'm just gonna go around to the rest of them. Do that same thing. Get between the hubcaps. Just loosen that dirt up. So once you loosen it up and you have the soap on it, when it comes down to washing, it should come out really easily. A little bit of water in here. Get some water. Just go through these. See the dirt coming up. So, last tire. Go through there. Take this brush. You can also use this on the grill if you want as well. So you get that.